H2O, we denote a water molecule, right? And what is a molecule? A molecule is the smallest particle of an element or a compound that is capable of an independent existence and shows all the prop of that substance. So, atoms of the same element or different elements can join together to form molecules. And in the case of water molecule, atoms of two different elements, that is hydrogen and oxygen, combine to form water molecule. Thanks to the symbols used for representing a molecule like H2O, we can tell a water molecule has two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. But why is it so? Why can't it be H5O or HO or HO2 or OH2? Let's find it out. You know, the number of atoms constituting a molecule is called its atomicity. So, atomicity of water molecule is 3. Why? This is because it has a total of 3 atoms, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen atom. Same way, sulfuric acid, whose symbol is H2SO4, the atomicity is 7, as one molecule of sulfuric acid has 2 hydrogen, 1 sulfur and 4 oxygen atoms. That is a total of 7 atoms in one molecule of sulfuric acid. And what about elements? Molecules of many elements such as helium, which is represented by symbol He, argon, etc., are made up of only one atom of that element, and we say it's a monoatomic molecule having atomicity equal to 1. But a molecule of oxygen consists of two atoms, and hence it is known as diatomic molecule, and it is represented as O2. Now, if three atoms of oxygen unite in a molecule instead of two, we get ozone, and its symbol is O3. So it's a triatomic molecule, and it has the atomicity equal to 3, as 3 atoms make up one molecule. So what determines the atomicity of a molecule? The atomicity of a molecule depends on a certain property of elements it is made of. Every element has a definite combining capacity, which is called its valency. To understand valency, we need to go inside an atom. We will do later. For now, remember, if an atom of an element can combine with X hydrogen atoms, then that element's valency is X. So the valency of hydrogen is 1. In case of water, that is H2O, oxygen can combine with two hydrogen atoms. So its valency here is 2, as one atom of oxygen combines with two hydrogen atoms. But remember, an element may have multiple valencies. Let us see methane. It has chemical formula CH4. So the carbon atom combines with 4 atoms of hydrogen. This means the valency of carbon is 4. Now, carbon and oxygen combine to produce carbon dioxide. How many oxygen and carbon atoms will be there in each molecule? Let's write carbon and oxygen symbols side by side. Now, we write the valency of oxygen, which is 2, after carbon, and the valency of carbon, which is 4, after oxygen. Basically, interchange the valencies of the combining atoms. So we get C2O4. Now, 2 and 4 have common factor as 2. So we divide both by 2 and we get C1O2. We don't need to write 1. So the chemical formula of compound carbon dioxide is CO2. Sometimes a group of atoms act like a single unit or atom, like carbonate, which is CO3. You may have heard sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate, etc. This whole group, that is CO3, acts like a single unit. It is generally called a group. A group also has a valency. So, what is the valency of carbonate? Well, if you know, H2CO3 is carbonic acid. Here we see one atom of carbonate combines with two atoms of hydrogen. This means its valency is 2. So, to sum up what we learned today, the number of atoms constituting a molecule is known as its atomicity. Here we see a molecule of element calcium consists of one atom of calcium, and hence it is known as monoatomic molecule, and its atomicity is 1. Whereas in case of water, which is a compound with chemical formula H2O, here each molecule consists of two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom, and hence it is a triatomic molecule and its atomicity is 3. Also, the combining power or capacity of an element is known as its valency. There are different ways to find the valency, and it is also defined as the number of hydrogen atoms with which one atom of the element would combine. For example, methane has a chemical formula CH4. The carbon atom combines with 4 hydrogen atoms in each molecule of methane. This means valency of carbon is 4. Now that we know about atomicity and valency in general, we shall learn how to write chemical formula correctly in the next class. Until then, take care. Bye bye.